In this session, we're going to show you how to batch update alternate part numbers from a file. So from my home ribbon, I'm going to go to Setup. And as a quick reminder, before you do anything in here with alternate part numbers, make sure you go to your location settings, go to Inventory, and check this box, Show Alternate Part Number column in Inventory Search. And make sure you save it. Once you have that set, then we're going to come over to Inventory Materials. So I have some wiper blades in my inventory I want to put an alternate part number on. So I'm going to go in and search for my wiper blades. I'm going to go to Accessories here, and we're going to look for anything with wiper in it. And here are my wiper blades. Now you'll notice the alternate part number column is blank. So first thing you want to do is get your list together, and then once you have that, you're going to export to Excel, and it's going to be for inventory information. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to give it a little name. So this is my wipers, and we're going to put it on the desktop here. So I'm going to hit Save, and now we've saved that file. So let's go over to the file and see how that's going to work. So here I have opened my file. These are my 4 blades. And if I look over to the far right, you're going to see a column for alternate part number. It's column R. So here you would enter in your part numbers. So, this might be a 20R or something like that. You're just going to enter them all in as you go. It's a 24R. Once you have your alternate part number set, then what you're going to do is close it and save it. So we're going to close the document and save it. We're going to go back to our program. Again, you're going to pull up this exact same list that we exported out earlier. Once I have the list, I'm going to click. I'm going to go down to my last item, hold my Shift key, click again. So we're going to batch update these items. We're going to go to Batch Update. I'm going to hit Next. So we're going to update inventory material information from a file. That's the second choice here. Hit Next. We go find our file. Once we find it, we hit Open. Select Next again. And now we're going to line it up. So this one is actually pretty easy to do. You can just line it up by part number. So I'm going to go part number here. And then as I scroll over to the far right, you're going to see alternate part number. So we're going to map that to the alternate part number. Okay, so now we have it set. Notice I clicked over here. I just clicked on something so it would highlight it. Now I can hit Next and Start. Once it's completed, I hit Close. Now to see my numbers, I just simply hit Search again. It'll refresh. And now I'll have all of my alternate part numbers in. As a side note here, you want to remember you can only batch update the first number. So if I open this up and I go look, see I'm only batch updating the first number. Okay, you do not want to change this code, leave it as it is. Now if I want to add any additional numbers, then I have to manually add lines to add additional numbers. So that is how to batch update alternate part numbers.